It was getting way too cold up here in the Great White North, so we booked a Landshark's geocaching cruise adventure and jetted ourselves away from the frozen Canadian tundra and snow-covered Commonwealth. We headed south for warmer climes, our first stop and this episode being in funny, sunny Fort Lauderdale. So, watch through all this episode to see the cool places and sights we discovered on this LANMonkey's geocaching adventure.
Hey guys, welcome to Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We are here. We've arrived on the first day of our adventure. Checking out a really cool virtual here. Awesome. All right, let's go have some more fun.
Where are we headed next? Look more enthusiastic.
This Floridian port city is primarily known for its beaches and canals, but has plenty of quirky, fun things to find while exploring.
We are webcamming on the beach. We'll show you right over there in the corner, just a little image of the webcam shot we took here. Took us a little while to figure it out. Apparently you need to use Chrome for it to work. So there you go, lots of fun. One day to go before our cruise. So we're going to enjoy the beach, the sun, the weather, find a webcam, some earth caches, and have a great time. So thanks for joining us for episode 1 of season 3 as we start another series of amazing geocaching adventures.
But we're not done geocaching and exploring Fort Lauderdale yet. For those with a keen interest in transportation, Fort Lauderdale lauds an impressive variety of land and water options you can use because, well, you still need to find another geocache.
There you go. Oh, comes right out. That's pretty cool.
We enjoyed several more finds, some earth caching, but before we shelled up for the day, we had one more surprise awaiting us in Hugh Taylor Birch State Park. We found a gopher tortoise, famous for the 15-foot long and 6-foot deep burrows they create. Well, no more monkey business for today it seems, so thanks for joining us for the first episode of Season 3. Next, we're headed for some Caribbean caching adventure, so subscribe, like, and add your comments to our videos on YouTube so that you never miss an exciting geocaching adventure.